Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for discovering the best, most efficient solutions for your home. Today, we're diving into the ultimate game changer for cluttered cabinets and messy undersink areas. Say hello to the best cabinet storage organization system out there, the Ukeetap multi-purpose pull-out storage organizers. These sleek, black, under-sink storage units come in a 2-pack set, each measuring 15 inches in length, 8 inches deep, and 12.8 inches high, the perfect dimensions to fit under your bathroom or kitchen sink. Whether it's cleaning supplies, toiletries, or cooking essentials, these organizers are here to bring harmony to your household chaos. Installation is so simple, you won't even need tools. That's right, in seconds, the frame locks into place, and you're ready to load it up. The bottom drawer slides out effortlessly, giving you quick access to items stored in the back without knocking over everything in the front. Thanks to the sturdy plastic baskets and metal tubing frame, this thing holds strong. Even with heavier bottles or bulkier items, the structure stays firm and doesn't warp or wobble over time. Look at this transformation. The compact height makes use of vertical space, which often goes wasted in most cabinets. You get double the storage without taking up extra room. It's neutral and elegant, blending in with any decor without calling attention to itself. It's functional, yes, but it's also sleek. That's the Ukeetap touch. Whether you're living in a small apartment or managing a busy household, smart storage like this makes your everyday life smoother and more efficient. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you're ready to take control of your space and bring order to your under-sink world, this is the product you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where smart living begins with smart choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more insights on the best home essentials.